morning. Today is day 3 aboard the Royal Caribbean Allure of the Seas. This morning we are starting the day off at Johnny Rockets, which in the afternoon and evenings is more of a specialty restaurant where you have to pay for the food. But in the morning there is an included breakfast, so we are trying that out to get a different experience. So our food has arrived. I got the Veggie Lovers, which is basically scrambled eggs with vegetables. To make it gluten-free, they use fresh eggs. It looks delicious. I also have gluten-free bread on the side.
So here's a gluten-free eggs and gluten-free toast?
Yeah,
That looks
probably like the most
toast.
impressive gluten-free toast I've seen on a cruise ship.
So he said it was going to actually take like 20-30 minutes, but that was like 2 to 30 minutes. So I got the breakfast sandwich.
Our food just
I
got
also
here.
ordered something else, but we'll see.
So it started to sprinkle outside, so we were asked to relocate inside. So we're at a booth inside now.
But I got the other half of my food. This is the works. So looks pretty good. Excited about this. Vanilla. What are we doing?
Waiting for crosswords.
Crossword. Oh, it's an empty ship though.
Yes, it's nice.
We're back at the scooter bar. Except the bar doesn't open until 1 and it's 9:20. It's a long way to go. We did say one of the bars is open.
Yeah, Balance Stern on the promenade.
Oh jeez. Okay.
I think that's what it's called.
I need different coffee though. Again, I didn't like the regular coffee.
You can go get a coffee frappuccino.
Oh yeah, that was good. What you got yesterday? I guess I have to go get that this time. Okay, I'm in search for another coffee and a fruit cup. So, looks like here's a fruit cup. Get one of these. Thank you. All right. Coffee frappuccino. That was bad, guys. I just dropped Claire's fruit cup all over the place. I had to go ask for another one. Embarrassing. But got it. Got my coffee. So we're good to go. Back to crossword puzzles. So how are you doing?
This is not going well.
It's not?
No.
What's the first question that you can't get?
Well, it was given to me, but
What is it?
the clue was Will Smith sang of the city by the sea. Michael didn't know it either, so.
Yeah, I did.
Well, you didn't give me the answers.
What are you doing way over there? Claire's way over there checking out some pictures in the focus area. See if she turns around and notices. No, she doesn't. I was actually creeping on you from afar.
At the photo kiosk.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hey. I was hoping to see if you would see me and see if you could talk from that far.
Oh.
But I also didn't want to yell across the entire ship either.
Good call.
So,
Unlike bingo yesterday.
come on. Just jealous that I won.
Well, keep telling him he wouldn't even be in bingo if it wasn't for me wanting to play. And he wouldn't even pay to have played. I would have been the only one playing if it wasn't for the group that we're with. So, you're welcome.
I still won.
You're welcome.
So we've been at the scooter bar most of the morning now.
For trivia and crosswords.
Yeah, and we did poorly on both. Trivia was really bad.
Well,
Actually, everybody did bad.
Well, the host took the initiative to make her own questions and not use the Royal Caribbean generated questions. So it was just a different caliber question. But we learned something.
Yeah, we got 6 out of 20.
Got 6.5 out of 20.
That's right. The half was because the question was, what does the HB stand for on a pencil?
We said hardness and boldness, but it's hardness and black.
It's hard black.
Hard and black. But the winner got 11, so we didn't do that terribly compared.
No, there was a
It
lot
was
of
just
different
difficult.
things.
It was difficult.
I'm trying to think of another one
Which
that was like
fruit floats in water because it has 25%
air.
in its volume?
Well, I
said coconut.
Sure, but I also thought she said egg and not air. I was like, there's no such
You
thing
weren't
as a fruit
participating.
that has an egg.
But the answer is,
An apple.
well, yeah.
We bobbing for apples. Huh. Oh well. Or yeah, there was definitely a lot of things that are like, holy smokes. What's the hard one? Which animal has rectangular shaped pupils? No clue.
Goat.
A goat. Oh man, this trivia was definitely hard. What's the next one? Some anagram thing,
Yeah,
I think.
an anagram. It's at 11. It's in 4 minutes.
So I'll probably do bad at that one too.
I don't think so.
I do.
Oh, which word means its opposite when FE is added to it? The letters F and E. And I kept thinking feminine. Like, for some reason, feminine kept coming to mind, but it was female. Male, add FE. It's female.
That was terrible.
So we should have known that one. But
So here's a good one, and we won't answer this. We'll just leave it for you guys to answer down in the comments below. But which metal has the best conductivity? We all were very confident it was something. But what do you guys think? Comment down below.
we won the anagram quiz. So, got a Royal Caribbean highlighter.
We got a highlighter.
It was very difficult.
I don't even know how many trivia things we've done
We did crossword and then general trivia and then the anagrams.
today.
And then there are a couple song trivias this afternoon, I think.
One, I guess. I still won bingo though.
Yes, you did.
Road dropping Sorrentos for lunch.
Haven't had it yet.
Sad part is we're not even first. There's like one guy ahead of us.
Got another few minutes.
We've been sitting doing trivia for a long time. So, and we've been stealing the pizza from afar. Uh-oh, we got a photo bomber in the background. Right.
Ooh, look at this. It's like, make
Look at
your
this.
own.
We're like, up front.
Ooh.
Make your own pizza. That's what you're going to do. Can I get 2 pepperoni and a carnivore? There, you got our gluten-free pizza.
And it's a whole pizza, not a half pizza.
Yeah. Look at that.
Looks pretty good.
Looks legit. Had to wait, what, 10 minutes?
Yeah, probably about that.
So, how is it?
It's very good. It's probably one of the better gluten-free crust I've had on board. Very good. I'm enjoying it.
Good. We've been waiting. Inhale.
I enjoyed it.
Gone. Gone.
Jeez.
I don't know, it's
What
pretty
am I
thin
going to do with it afterwards, though?
Leave it? Or
No.
Coffee in there too.
but I think it's a very, very thin crust.
I enjoyed it, and I was hungry.
There you go. Plus we don't have dinner till 7:30. We got a while.
Which is normal for a lot of people, but late for me.
Yeah. And then your gluten-free beer.
Looking pretty good.
Well, a few hours have gone by. As you can see, dressed totally different. Got my, check it out, Astros shirt on. Look at this. Astros dress on. Look how cute she looks. But, man, we hung out at the scooter bar for hours doing back to back to back to back. What did we do? Trivia, all kinds of trivia. So, it was just fun. I got really tired and had to come back and take a nap. But we're getting ready to go to another trivia, 90s trivia. So, and then we have reservations at Azumi Hibachi. So that'll be fun. So, we actually didn't leave port.
We didn't leave the ship.
Yes, we didn't leave the ship. So, like we mentioned all day long, we played trivia. So, what did you like about today?
I mean, I really love Cozumel as a port. Really great excursions, great experiences. Love the port itself. But we've also been there quite a few times in the past few months. So it was just really nice to be able to kick back and relax and enjoy a nearly empty ship. I mean, I would say there probably 75% of the guests went off the ship. So it was just nice to have a few hours to actually have some room and just relax. So this is kind of a long weekend for us. So it was just nice to have a true relaxing long weekend.
Yeah, it was a little overcast too. Most of the day, I think. I mean, Cozumel, in fact, I think we mentioned it earlier, but when we were at Johnny Rockets, it started raining. So we were asked to move inside. Luckily, there were spots available inside. Or some tables available, and so other than that, we spent all days indoors in the AC because it was a little humid here in Cozumel, which it normally is every time we're here. But yeah, it was. I agree. It was a nice, relaxing day. We literally sat in the schooner bar all day long. In fact, one of the what are they called?
They're part of the cruise director team. They lead the trivias.
Yeah, they they noticed that we were sitting in the same spot that she did a trivia or hosted a trivia earlier in the morning, and we were there in the middle of the afternoon. She's like, "Wait, you guys are still there?" So, and we actually mentioned to each other, it's like, "Oh gosh, I hope she doesn't notice that we're still there and say something," and she did out loud. So it was quite funny, at least funny to us. So, but, we're gonna go do another trivia. She's not hosting the other trivia, is it? No, she said someone else that's funny. So, although she was pretty funny herself, Chow Chow, or Jennifer as she calls it. If we don't,
she's not Jennifer.
She's not. If you don't like her, call her Jennifer.
Is that what she said?
Yeah. But no, Chow Chow's pretty funny. But yeah, it's been a good day. I don't know if we've ever been on a cruise where we've actually not left the ship for the entire cruise. So this was definitely a first for us, which is nice, different. Nice, huge ship too. Dude, this location's crazy. You actually haven't been here. Dallas. It's like I'm not even sure. Like a little club area, lounge area. It's pretty cool. Oh, sweet. Here comes our drinks. Awesome, thank you. Yeah, so it's like a 2-story lounge. There's several lounges on the ship. It's nuts. This is probably the first one we've been in. It's pretty neat though. So, like 90s trivia. Oh, sorry, name that too. That's close. Probably not. Hopefully we win another highlighter. At least we already won one. So that's sweet. Ever. Claire had her food prepared in the back, and she got it before everybody else's.
I was worried, but it came.
Yeah. Alright. Thank you. So Claire got the chicken and tiger shrimp.
Yes.
Is that right?
Yes. The shrimp are delicious. They're a really large size. They're very good.
Yeah. He's still preparing our food over there. There's a lot of fillets. So Claire got the same thing that we got last time. The mochi balls.
Very good.
Yeah, these were good. But I got the same thing because they were good last time we had them. So overall, everything was awesome. You know what I realized? We didn't get a towel animal.
Mm-hmm.
What happened?
I think they do them every other night.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
Huh. But I still got this guy, Mr. Mouse. What else do we get? We got our tags to leave. That's sad. And then information about what are we doing? Some galley tour?
Yeah, the sip tour brunch. So it's a galley tour, and then like a champagne brunch afterwards.
So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It'll be exciting.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
So what'd you think about Azumi?
It was delicious.
Consistent?
No complaints.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got the fillet and the tiger shrimp, and you got the chicken and shrimp.
Yeah, the shrimp was awesome.
And then the mochi balls for dessert were amazing.
Mm-hmm.
So Zumi's always fun. But kept giving me a hard time about being related or not related to the president of the Philippines. So
Well, it would have been fine if Michael said that he wasn't related, but Michael said that he was related.
So
And he's not.
yeah.
That he knows.
Could be. Who knows? Might have to do one of those ancestry.com things to find out. Probably should. It'd be interesting to find out if I am or not.
I mean, I don't think a presidential family would be wearing a Houston Astros Caribbean shirt, but
Well, yeah. Not here or there. Still, who knows? So, headed back to Galveston. That super sucks. So, just left Cozumel. Not too far from Cozumel. It's good to see you here. So, but sounds terrible. Oh, look, hey. We could look at the promenade. Is this actually called what is the promenade area actually called on the ship?
I think it's still the promenade.
It's still called the promenade?
I think so.
Which we spent all day there, basically. So, but it was a lot of fun. So we're excited about our little galley tour tomorrow. Sip and stroll. So, I guess that's about it for today.
Yeah, we can see behind the scenes tomorrow. Always
So, man, hopefully we can take a camera back there.
cannot take video cameras.
Hmm.
So we'll have to maybe take some pictures and do a recap afterwards.
I'll hide a lens somewhere.
No, he won't.
We'll see. We'll see what happens. Hopefully we can at least take pictures.
Yes.
So to show you guys what the galley looks like on a mega ship. So this will be fun.
So we'll see you in the next one.
All right. See you guys. Bye.
Bye.